Hello and welcome to TEC Bike Parts. Today I'm going to be showing you our new 200 big bore high flow full exhaust system for the Street Twin, Street Cup, T100 water cooled and T120 water cooled. We did develop this system initially for the Thruxton and the Speed Twin, but realised when we tried it on the 900 actually it worked really well on that as well. So just a few little tweaks to make it fit, because the frame is different on the 900s and the T120. They all use the same frame basically, but the Speed Twin and the Thruxton models actually use a different frame. Now, it's supplied with a high performance baffle, big bore, and also a quieter, smaller diameter baffle. But you also have the option, this is optional, not supplied with it, of some very quiet baffles as well if you want to be really quiet. It's still probably round, it doesn't sound much more than stock till you actually open it up, and when you're on full throttle it does sound a bit louder, but round town it actually sounds stock quiet with those in. Now, what the feedback we got from a lot of people is that when fitting exhausts on these and X-pipes, they didn't like the idea of removing the left-hand frame rail. It is a bit of a chew-on to try and do it at home with limited equipment, particularly if you haven't got a bike lift and if you've only got a side stand. It is a real pain. You need somebody to help you. And also on the T100 and T120 models, you actually need to remove the tank to get to the top bolt. So I can understand why people were reluctant to do this and just wanted to put slip-on silencers on. But we were also very reluctant just to make slip-on silencers because of the front pipe design on them I was never happy with. Particularly the bend where it goes into the cat unit is very tight and restrictive, and it was always going to be a compromise to get it right. Even with an X-pipe on, you do get a good increase in sound with having the X-pipe in, but you don't get this performance improvement that you do with a big bore pipe like this. This is also, we think it's a much cleaner, more in proportion look on the bike, and we've also incorporated these neat little heel guards come joint covers that sort of echo the styling on the bikes with the hole spacing and the holes. It's just a nice little touch. Silencers are fully rebuildable, repackable, sorry, and the pipe work is guaranteed for the lifetime of the bike. So, like I say, you don't have to take the cat off. You can just leave the cat on, remove the pipes on the Euro 4 models, and just fit these on, and you won't notice the cat unit because it's tucked away underneath the motor. Now, on the Euro 5, things have changed a bit with Triumph. They're actually phasing in welded-in cats, so that the actual tailpipes are welded on, and you have to take the cat off to get the tailpipes off. Like I say, most Euro 5s you're going to have to take it off. They started on the Euro 4 Thruxton TFCs and RS models. They started with this welded on pipe, and it seems to be getting phased in through all the models. But this system addresses that. It just replaces the whole lot, and it's actually cheaper than a lot of people charge for a pair of cans. It's certainly cheaper than a pair of cans and an X-pipe and using the horrible standard front pipes. So I'll let you hear it now. This is with the big bore baffles in. I'll start it up and let you hear from the side and the front. So thanks for watching. These are available now on our web shop, very keenly priced. Just to reiterate, these are available only as a full system for the T120, the T100, the Street Cup and the Street Twin. We do these as separate front pipes and separate silencers for the Thruxton and the Speed Twin, but these are different setups, so you can't just fit them. We do an X pipe and a set of cans for the Street Twin and the Street Cup if you want to just go down that road. You don't have to fit the X pipe, you can just fit the cans as well to the standard Decat unit. The choice is yours, there's many options there. We also do a full 2-to-1 system, which gives a different sound, enhanced torque. There's lots of options there if you check out our website. So thanks for watching and see you again soon.